You're at the grocery store, cart full of delicious food. You reach the checkout and the cashier asks, cash or credit? It's a question we all face. Do you pull out the bills or swipe your plastic? This simple choice can have a big impact on your financial well-being. In today's world, we have many ways to pay. Cash, credit cards, debit cards, and mobile payments all compete for our attention. But at their core, the decision often comes down to cash or credit. Each option has pros and cons affecting our spending habits and financial health differently. Understanding these differences is crucial to making smart choices with your money. It's not just about convenience, it's about taking control of your finances and building a secure future. Let's dive into the pros and cons of cash versus credit to help you make informed decisions at the checkout line and beyond. Using cash has distinct advantages. It keeps you aware of your spending. When you see physical money leaving your wallet, you're more likely to think twice about impulse buys. This tangible connection to your funds promotes mindful spending and helps you stay within budget. Cash also helps you avoid debt. When you only spend the money you have on hand, you eliminate the risk of overspending and accumulating interest charges. This simple practice keeps you debt-free, reducing financial stress and giving you greater peace of mind. Furthermore, cash transactions offer a degree of privacy. They don't leave a digital trail that can be tracked or compromised. For those who value their financial privacy, cash provides a sense of anonymity and security. While cash may seem old-fashioned in our increasingly digital world, its benefits are undeniable. It encourages responsible spending, prevents debt, and protects your privacy. These are powerful advantages that can contribute to a healthier financial life. Credit cards offer convenience and benefits. They streamline purchases, especially online or for larger expenses. They provide a record of your spending, which can be helpful for budgeting and tracking expenses. Many credit cards come with rewards programs. These programs offer cashback, travel points, or other perks for using your card. If used responsibly and paid off in full each month, these rewards can offset some of the costs of everyday purchases. Credit cards can also help build your credit score. By using credit responsibly and making timely payments, you establish a positive credit history. A good credit score is essential for obtaining loans, renting an apartment, or even securing certain jobs. However, credit cards come with risks. The biggest danger is the temptation to overspend. When you're not using physical money, it's easier to lose track of your spending and accumulate debt. High interest rates on credit card debt can quickly spiral out of control, leading to financial stress and long-term consequences. Section 4. Striking a balance. Combining cash and credit wisely. The key to smart spending lies in finding a balance between cash and credit. Use cash for everyday expenses like groceries, gas, and entertainment. This keeps your spending in check and helps you avoid impulse buys. Reserve credit cards for planned purchases or emergencies. Use them for online shopping, booking travel, or in unexpected situations where you need immediate funds. Always pay your credit card balance in full and on time to avoid interest charges. By combining the advantages of both payment methods, you can enjoy the convenience of credit while maintaining control over your spending. Remember, it's about making choices that align with your financial goals and values. Section 5. Tech to the rescue. Apps and websites for savvy spending. Technology can be a valuable ally in managing your finances. Numerous apps and websites offer tools for budgeting, tracking expenses, and monitoring your credit score. Mint and Personal Capital are popular budgeting apps that connect to your bank accounts and credit cards, providing a comprehensive view of your finances. They categorize your spending, help you set budgets, and send you alerts to keep you on track. Credit Karma and Credit Sesame offer free credit score monitoring and personalized recommendations for improving your credit health. These tools empower you to stay informed about your creditworthiness and make informed financial decisions. Section 6. Your financial journey, making informed choices. Ultimately, the best way to pay is a personal decision. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Consider your spending habits, financial goals, and comfort level with debt. If you tend to overspend or struggle with impulse buys, cash might be your best bet. If you're responsible with credit and can pay your balance in full each month, credit cards can offer convenience and rewards. The key is to be mindful of your choices and their impact on your financial well-being. By understanding the pros and cons of cash versus credit, utilizing technology to your advantage, and making informed decisions, you can navigate the world of personal finance with confidence and achieve your financial goals.